Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a blue heart-shaped locket with the help of resin. Very beautiful locket with very easy procedure. Interesting hobby. Very useful. We can make just like that design, just like that. Wow, very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.